Hey guys, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for. In today's video I got hands on Lenovo's latest tablet, Lenovo Yoga Pro 2. It is a 13-inch tablet and it costs rupees 47,990. It is available on Flipkart starting October 17. It comes with 1.6 megapixel camera on the front. It is a pretty big tablet, as you can see that. It has Quad HD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. It has dual speaker on the front. As already mentioned, it carries a 1.6 megapixel camera. The quick options gives you quick access to Wi-Fi, data communication, journal, GPS, sleep, auto-rotate, Bluetooth, airplane, multi-wins, projector, camera, lock screen, screenshot, Lenovo Smart Switch settings, and you can control the brightness too. As you can see there, it is a pretty good tablet, and with a 13-inch it can easily compete with MacBook Air. As of now, all I can say, without a keyboard it looks pretty good, pretty similar to MacBook. Clicking on the settings button gives you quick information about the tablet, that like it carries the model number Yoga Tablet 2 Pro 1380L. It runs on Android 4.4.2. It is powered by Intel Atom processor Z3475. It is a quad-core processor and clocks at 1.86 GHz. It carries 3 GB of RAM and total capacity of 64 GB. Out of 64 GB, only 52.9 GB is available for users and 9.89 GB is occupied by space. 776 MB of space is occupied by app data and media content. Around 890 of MB space is occupied by videos, pics and cache data. On the right hand side there is a power button, and it has a projector too, microphone. At the bottom there is nothing. On the right hand side it has a 3.5 mm audio jack, power button, micro USB slot and volume rocker button. It comes with a stand and you have to push the button to remove the stand. It has JBL speaker and a back camera. It has a SIM slot and micro SD card slot at the back. Lenovo branding. On a single charge it offers 15 hours of battery backup. And there is a projector 50-inch which allows you to project anything. It has a Smart Switch software too. As of now, if you are planning to buy a laptop, then you have to think about this, and at a price tag of nearly 48,000 you can easily buy this Lenovo Yoga Pro tablet 13-inch. But that's all you need to know as of now. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video.